Hey guys, what's up? It's the time of year that I need to winterize my lawn sprinkler system. And the weather today is beautiful. I think it's like maybe 55 degrees. So it's the perfect time to work on the lawn sprinkler system. It's homemade and it is being powered by Arduino. Yeah, this is the wire. This is the wire that connects to the lawn sprinkler valves. It's in the garage right now. I already took it out, and I made this, and it hooks up to the, what is this thing called again? I forgot. Uh, I forgot what it's called. Damn it, my brain is so dead. Help me, guys. I forgot. I don't know what it's called. I've been missing on terminology since last night. Anyways, yeah, this thing goes right in there. Okay, and then this part goes right here. Yeah, like that. Okay, and then it's gonna pump air from the compressor. There you go, air compressor from the compressor out here towards the end of the tube, and then it's gonna blow out all the air from the pipe. And the reason why we are winterizing it is because last year I've damaged two sprinkler heads, and they're expensive, like $20 each, and I don't want to spend again. And the reason why it's gonna get damaged is because in winter, especially here in Chicago, especially here in Huntley, there are times the temperature goes down to like -20, -30, below zero. So it's quite cold. And when water freezes, they expand. So imagine there's water in here, right? Imagine this is the sprinkler head. When the water is, when there's a standing water there, it's gonna froze, right? Just like when you put bottle inside a freezer, it's the same concept. It's gonna explode, it's gonna crack. So that's what happened. It cracked it, so it lost the pressure. Anyways, guys, let's get started. So I'm gonna show you oh, not that one. Yeah, this one. I'm gonna connect, let's see, I'm gonna connect this to right there. Okay, be right back. Oh, it started. So did you hear it? See, because it's connected. This is open, there's no lock. I think I need to build another one where all I have to do is to turn a knob, and then it releases air, rather than me inserting it right away and it loses air right away. Look, again. See, I don't want that. So I remember now what I usually do, and I hook it up first here, and then we'll see. Okay, alrighty, guys, I'm gonna pause it real quick. I need to secure this thread or lock. Alright, later. Alright, guys, it's secured. The next thing to do is hook this up, and then we will run there to see how it looks like. Alright, let's see. There's not enough air or not enough pressure. What happened? Oh, it's right there, number 5. It's here. I thought that was number 1. See? So we are removing all the water from the pipe. I made this like in 2000, I think 14. Yeah. Here you go. If I don't If you don't winterize it, it's gonna crack this for sure. Yeah. So now it's air. Almost all water is gone. I'm getting wet. There you go. And then when it's done, it's just gonna go down. So that's not enough of water to break the head, which is good. Yeah. There you go. Alright. So that's zone number 5. I thought this was zone number 1. That's zone number, oops, sorry. That's zone number 1. And that's zone number 5. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna remove it again. Okay, and then we'll recharge because it's gone, right? It's gone. We'll charge again. It's gonna be loud. Alright guys, let me pause it. Alright, let's turn it off. Okay, it's off. Now we are going to switch it to zone 1 right there. Alright, it's on zone 1 now. I think this is not gonna work well because see, it's kind of loose. Yeah, it will, but I might have to hold it. We'll see. We'll find out soon. Okay. I need some space, dude. Okay. Did it work? No, it didn't. It's not working. Hold on. See, it's not working, but it's coming out enough. There's air coming out from that thing. This one is expensive. This valve is expensive. That brand is Rainbird. The other one that you saw earlier is Orbit, cheaper one. But this is the one I damaged. There you go. That's good. Next, let's zone 2. Zone 2 is somewhere here. Somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere there. We'll find out soon. Yeah, somewhere here. All right, let's try. We're gonna recharge the compressor again. 1 sec. Alrighty guys, I have moved my stuff, my hack to zone 2, and it's gonna blow out the water somewhere there. Let's see. We'll find out soon. Okay. 1 second. There you go. Zone 1 was there. This is zone 2. I've got total of 5 zones. You know what I'll do? I'm gonna go all the way one more time later, so to make sure that there's not really any standing water. Zone 3 is somewhere here, I guess, and zone 4 is right there, and zone 5, the first one we did, is right there. All right, we're gonna charge the air compressor again. Okay guys, we're gonna blow zone 3 now. It's gonna be somewhere there. right, there you go. Okay, yeah. And then later, like what I said, I'm gonna go over them one more time. Okay, here you go. Yeah, it's such a beautiful day today. I can actually remove my jacket. This is my crab apple tree. All right, it's done. Now let's move on to zone number 4. That's good. And we're gonna recharge the air compressor again. All right, 1 second. All right, done recharging the air compressor, and we're on to zone number 4, which is right somewhere right there. And again, I built this in 2014, I believe. It's being powered by Arduino, and I believe I use Node.js for the backend API, and then for the web interface I used React.js. Yep. So okay, let's go on. Let's go ahead. I don't want to waste time. I'm heading to a concert soon, so yeah, let's see. There we go. Yep. Right. There you go. There's grass on the sprinkler head. That grass is dead now for sure. There you go. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna do it one more time, but yeah, you've seen my process of winterizing my homemade lawn sprinkler, and I just used cheap 1-inch PVC pipe that I bought from Menards. They're really cheap. And then if you ask how I did it, I believe I have a video of it that I uploaded in YouTube long time ago. And I remember I killed the grass because I was also planning on putting a new grass type. Okay, so that time I remember I put an elite Kentucky Bluegrass. Unfortunately, it actually was okay, but was not as good as the one I planted back in 2009, where I also killed everything with Roundup. Same thing, same process. But now this one is a different type, which I believe I planted it again from scratch. I think it's in year 2020 or 2019. I could not remember anymore. But this one is an elite TTTF, tall type turf fescue, and it's not as thick as Kentucky Bluegrass. But what I love about this variety is that I don't water it anymore. So I've never turned on. Maybe I turned on my sprinkler just one time, and yeah, it was able to survive. Although with TTTF, it's not gonna how do you call that? It's not gonna crawl. It's not gonna fill in like for example, I've got some bad areas here that actually the seeds didn't grow. So look, So I've got bare spots, and I've just been slacking, and I've not put any seeds yet. And this area, I actually fixed this. This was also bare, like that. This was also bare, and I fixed it, and I'm so happy because I did it twice. In 2021, it didn't work, but now see, I still got some small bare spots, but it was actually like this area was empty. It didn't grow, maybe because of this tree right here. It was blocking the sun. Yeah, I'm so happy. So that, guys, see, it's all TTTF. And again, the beauty about Kentucky Bluegrass, although it's high maintenance, is that if you have bare spots, it's gonna fill in. TTTF, they claim on their website that it fills in. Nope, it's been like that for like 4 years now. Did you see it fill in? No, it did not. So if, let's say, some spots gets killed by dog urine or pee, expect it's not gonna fill in. Yeah. So guys, choose. Do you like watering a lot to make your grass look great, or do you want to save money and use that money for your vacation? So in 2006 to 2000 maybe 14, I was crazy about lawns, really crazy, and I didn't want to see any dead blades like that. I just want to see green. Okay, I was so meticulous about it, and it was really nice, and it's spongy. When you step on it, it's really good. And this one, it's okay. From far, you can't tell the difference. Again, it's very drought tolerant, which I love, because I don't use a lot of water anymore. I just use like nature rain. Yeah. Alrighty, guys, I hope you enjoyed this winterizing lawn sprinkler edition or episode. Yeah, that's zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4, and then zone 5. That's the only one that is a different product, which is Orbit. And yeah, I'm glad that didn't get damaged. The only valves that got damaged was zone 4 and zone 3. Maybe because it's exposed of the wind, right? Wind. And then this one was being blocked, so I don't know. Right, so alrighty, guys, I'm gonna do it one more time, and I'm gonna head inside and prepare myself for the concert. It's a Depeche Mode night. All right, later, guys.